Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share it to you on how you can fix if the start menu is not working on your Windows. So without further ado, let's go quick into the process. So since we cannot click on the start menu because this is not working, then we are going to use our keyboard keys. So press Control plus Shift plus Escape keys on your keyboard to open the Task Manager window. Now maximize it. In the search bar, simply type Explorer. You'll find Windows Explorer. Make a right click, then select Restart. And close this window and wait for all the icons on your taskbar to be back, and after that check if the start menu is working. Now for the next method is we can also uninstall the latest updates of our Windows and then update our Windows to the latest version. So for that, press the Windows key and click on Settings. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, you will find Windows Update. Click on Update History. Then you have to scroll down to the bottom and you'll find Uninstall Updates. And you just have to simply uninstall the latest updates of your Windows by clicking on the uninstall button from here. And then after you have uninstalled the update from your Windows, just press the Windows key again and click on the power button. And then you have to make a right click, then select Restart. Then for the next method is we can also run our Windows in safe mode and then go back to the normal one. So for that, press the Windows key and letter R button together to open the run window. Type msconfig. It's msconfig, hit enter. Click on the boot tab. Then here you'll find safe boot. Click on that, click on apply. And then you have to click on yes and click on OK. And you have to click on the restart button. And after you have restarted your Windows, again press the Windows key and letter R button together. Type msconfig, hit enter. Click on the boot tab and simply uncheck the safe boot. Then you have to click on apply, click on yes and click on OK. And you have to restart your Windows again. And after that, check if the start menu is working. And for the last method is we can run some commands in the command prompt. So press the Windows key and letter R button together to open the run window. Type here task mgr, hit enter. This will open the task manager window. Now here you have to click on run new task. Type cmd. Check this box, create this task with administrative privileges. Click on OK. And this window will appear. Type in here sfc space / scan. Now this will scan for and fix any system corrupted files. Hit enter. Wait for the process to be 100% completed, and once this is 100% completed, close this and press the Windows key on your keyboard, then right click on the start button and select restart. Then for the last command, again go back to the same task manager window, click on run new task, type cmd again. Check this box, create this task with administrative privileges, click on OK. This time you need to type this command, so just simply follow me. DISM space / online space / cleanup dash image space / restore health. It's DISM space / online space / cleanup dash image space / restore health. Hit enter. And you just have to wait for the process to be 100% completed. And once this is completed, again you have to close the window and press the Windows key on your keyboard, make a right click at the start button and select restart. So that's it. If any of the solutions helped in fixing the issue, kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching this video.